us in the room should pack our things, that we should not worry, they're taking us to a better place. Someone better as far. Don't take us to hotel room. I want to take us. All of you in this room, get out. It was then that it occurred to me that these people are not taking us to a better place. That night, I said I will sleep in that cell. Me beg for what? Hi y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I'm sure that from the title of this video you already know what I'm going to be talking about today. I'm going to be talking about the time that I almost spent the night in a prison cell. I won't say it's not prison, it's just like a security post cell. Yeah, that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So before I actually start talking about all the things I'm going to be talking about today, just go and subscribe. I beg. I don't beg on attire. I don't know what you want to do again. Please just subscribe. I know that you're going to find this video interesting. You're gonna find me interesting. Just go and subscribe to my channel. Like the video before it even starts, because this story, we're actually already angry as I'm talking about it, because let me just while I'm doing this thing, I'm going to be redoing my hair. So this is what my hair, let me just open it for you guys. This is what my hair looks like. Yeah, I took out these I took out my locks and then I'm putting it back in because it was too full. It was giving me a headache. I could not sleep. I was having back pains, I was having neck pain. Packing the hair up to take my bath was a challenge. I took out the locks and I'm going to put it back by myself. I had to redo it might not be as it as before, but I had to redo the braids on my hair. I made it bigger so that I can put the locks back. So for those of you that have been watching my YouTube, or maybe you've been following my channel, you know that for my previous videos I said I went to Nnamdi Azikiwe University, aka the ghetto, the trenches is where I went to for university. My school was in Anambra State, and while I was in this school I stayed in a Catholic hostel in Amansi, in a village. I think, looking back now, I think I just did myself strong thing, but I didn't have a choice, and that's where my sister stayed. That's basically all I knew before when I was coming to the school. So I just did what my siblings did and I just went to the same hostel. I stayed in a Catholic hostel for my 4 years of university. So this was like in my 100 level. My first year in university. So one night now, we're usually like two. Yeah, we're two people in a room. So my friend had this really big room that was supposed to accommodate 3 people. It's supposed to be like, the normal rooms are big enough, but this room for 3 people is bigger than the usual room for 2 people. Hope I'm making sense. So this my friend now, we just like to go and chill in her room, because her room was bigger than the usual room. On like weekends, we'll just go and spend the weekend in her room, we'll stay with her, we'll gist. So now there was this so this I think was a Friday night. So we're gisting, we're just talking. To me, in my opinion, we're not making noise. I know that we're not making noise, because it was like past the lights, the generator went off in that hostel around went off by 11. So it was like by 11:30 something, like 11:40 to 12. So if people are discussing, if people are just talking in a room, and then you come and chook your ear in the door in the middle of the night, for goodness sake, there's no lights, everywhere is very, very silent, there's no lights, and then you come and chook your ear at the door and you're listening to that, you're going to hear the people inside the room. Like, it's not rocket science. You're going to, even if you're just passing by and people are just like having a conversation, you're going to hear what they are saying. Even if you're not going to hear what they are saying very well, you're going to hear voices. So now, I didn't even feel like we're making noise. That's why I didn't even feel like I did anything wrong. So that night now, the next thing, all of a sudden, we're just talking now. Now, when we're laughing, we're gisting, we're gossiping, we're just talking. All of a sudden, someone just came and knocked. The way they even used to knock, and the person just knocked like, you know that the knock is not normal. You know it's not, because your friends knock and be knocking like that. It's like an official knock. So they'll just knock 3 times. So I didn't know that by then. We're still new now. We're 100 level. That, I think this was 2018. We're 100 level. So we were just talking. And then I think it's now me that went to open the door. So I don't open the door. And I saw this seminarian, call them semis. This semi, he was just standing at the doors. I was like, hey, yes, what is he? Who are you looking for? He was like, my own is that if you want to catch me, or like you want to fault me or arrest me for the fact that I'm doing something wrong, come out with your chest and say it. These people did not come out with their chest. As in, what he now said was that some Reverend sisters, they are looking for where to put Reverend sisters to spend the night, and that this room is one of the big rooms, and they feel like the Reverend sisters, this room can accommodate Reverend sisters. I was now, say I mean, that time I was a mumu now. Normally I've been a mumu all my life, but that time I was particularly very foolish. I'm not even reasoning it. I just felt like, okay, I was doing a good thing, and now it's gonna meet. It's not even my room. Where's gonna meet the owner of the room? Chinima, they said they want to accommodate Reverend sisters in this your room, or that we should move. I thought about it too, but I was like, because there are some particular rooms in that hostel that are designated to Reverend sisters, whether they are around or not. You just know that these Reverend sisters these rooms are for them. Do you get? Whether they are in the hostel, that's the hostel, nobody can sleep there except Reverend sisters. So my mother was like, why can't they take them to those rooms? But why are they not coming to our room to my friend's room to come and ask her? I said, you know what? Now that all of us in the room should pack our things, that we should not worry, they're taking us to a better place. They're taking us to a better place to go and sleep. Do you know that at this point, my coconut head had still not, comprehended, understood what they're talking about. See me packing, and I told my friends, okay, you guys come, let's go. They said they want to keep my sisters here. They're going to take us to somewhere better. Let me finish this thing, please. Let me do a reasonable amount of this my head before I continue with that. So now they said they wanted to take us to somewhere better. I still don't understand this somewhere better. Somewhere better as far. Don't take us to hotel room. Or you want to take us to Reverend sisters room. Because why are you keeping Reverend sisters in our room when they have really nice rooms for themselves? You know what? Coconut head that very did not still get. I misled all my friends. So now we started packing our things, and we were ready for bed. We're already about. We're lying on our beds now. We're just before we sleep. So we're ready for bed. We're in our pajamas, in our night dresses. I know 100 of us were rubbish to sleep. I had one a very one nonsense blue nightwear that, and I wasn't wearing anything under. I just wore it was very, very short. It was literally like a shirt. I just took it. I had to put my wrapper in my hand since maybe that place would be cold. I took my laptop, took my phone charger. Maybe they bring that in the middle of the night. I was just going. The next thing now, all my friends too, they now say, okay, we should follow them. And it was a seminarian and this annoying priest. People that stay in that hostel might not agree with me, because many of them used to see him like one Jesus. But me, I did not like him. It was really, really annoying. We're now going now. I think they're now taking us from our room. My room was the first room they went to. They now started knocking on random people's doors. And then, okay, the next door they knocked on, open the door. Why are you making noise? All of you in this room, get out. It was then that it occurred to me that these people are not taking us to a better place to go sleep. Then I started, why are those people? All of you in the room should get out of the room. Waiting. We went around. There are 4 blocks in the hostel. The A block, B block, C block, D block. So there are 3 girls blocks and 1 boys block. So they now took us round 2 of the girls blocks. They didn't take us round the 3rd one. Then the boys block, they now told all the girls to wait outside. So we're not going around now. They'll knock on people. Some people will not open their doors. Those are the shy. Those are the ones that came to invest in the sense. Us were the mumus open door. Someone is knocking on your door after 11. You're opening your door. No wahala. So now we're up to 30 girls. We're up to 30 of us, and they're knocking on your door in the mid, past it's almost midnight. People are knocking on your door outside. So we're 30 of us now. We followed them. We were going with these people. Then we reach outside. Then they're going to take us to the cell. we're going to spend, well, after you spend the night in the cell today, that next time when immediately is 11 p.m, all of you will sleep. All of you will close your eyes and sleep. I can't reason whether the secondary school where I just finished before I come here, whether maybe when I not tell me say na secondary school you come again, because whether you're not telling me the time I should sleep. Is it your business if I sleep? What if I don't like? What if I have things I do at night? What if I work better at night? Is it by force to sleep? And then what if I'm talking to my roommate about something important, or we're having a discussion? Like, is it your business? So that thing pissed me off. I was so angry. I just started running my mouth. My friends were like, I beg that, calm down. No. I said, for what now? What exactly do we do? If they want to tempt the hostel, let me leave the hostel. Because if it's a crime to open my mouth and be talking in the night, they should come and tell me. Because like, there's no way that you chook your ear in somebody's door in the middle of the night and you will not hear the people that are talking inside. There's no logic behind it. It's like, there's no reason. They had no reason. I feel like that priest was just bored that night. Said, you know what? Let's arrest some students. That was just it, because there was no reason for him to come and pack us like that, like sardines. Like, so now after they took us over like 30 girls from the girls' blocks, then some of these priests are so biased. I think they refused to take enough boys. He refused to go to a boys' block. I mean, he just went to the first floor on the boys' block and brought like maybe a few boys, and then started threatening them. So I don't know. I think because he lives with the boys in their block, so they have like a good rapport. So he didn't want to take the boys to the cell. There was something I don't really remember vividly, but there was something fishy. I think he just did not want to take the boys to the cell, or maybe they were smiling with him or something. So now there was I planned. At that night I said I will sleep in that cell. Me beg for what? That I should beg that I did what? Why would I go and beg? Because that's what he wanted. He was looking at people that come and beg, and so he can show us that I'm the boss here. Now me they run this town. Now me they run this hostel. So people should come and like, I think maybe when he wanted to come and show his face, let the new students or the newcomers know that I'm the G. Now me they run this. Because I don't understand what was the point. So that was just a stunt that did not make sense. Why are you pulling this whole stunt of taking people to the cell? There was now one nonsense girl. See, we made small. I was stone that girl my slippers. We're this close. I would have. My friends were like, the next thing, one girl just came. She just knelt down beside him. Padre, please, Padre, please. Oh my God. Oh my God. Please, fool. Why are you begging? What did you do? Because I know that, we were the first people now. So every other room that he went to or he passed by, he took us to pick people from. They were not making noise. It's the same thing. The same thing with us. They were in their rooms. Okay, there was one room that they were playing loud music and dancing. I don't know. That's not where that girl came from. That girl, they picked her the same way they picked us. She was just talking in her room and they opened her door. She opened her door and then they took her. So the girl was now crying, Padre, please, I cannot spend the night in the cell. I've already gotten comfortable by the time the girl did all these things. I've already put my wrapper on the ground, I've already folded things so that maybe these mosquitoes will die tonight. Come and eat my body, because I was ready. I said me beg. This pride no be today. I say me beg. I will not beg anybody because I'm not here. You are not keeping me here for any reason. If you reach the one to, I'll just call my mother, I'll call my father, some problem must happen, because why the hell are you keeping me in this cell? The girl now started begging. Then they now called all of us outside. Me, I've already gotten comfortable now. They were not like that. If you want to bail yourself out, you pay 2K, I think 5K. I don't remember. But I was like, you people will not see anything from me. Maybe it's morning. What's the time? It's already 12. I will sleep how many hours? By 6 a.m. people will let me out of this because there's no reason why you're keeping me here. I'll just sleep. It's not sleep. I'll sleep all through the night. Wake up in the morning. So now, this he now called all of us out after this girl has finished embarrassing herself and crying what I don't even know. Like, it was so annoying. Next thing, me and my friends are looking at her like, who is this person that does not have pride in her life? You don't, as in, why are you crying? What did you do? Next thing, he now called us and I'm like, so all of you people should not be making so just talking one vague nonsense. I was just angry. I was looking at this guy. I said, this man, let me and you not happen to be found somewhere that is just two of us, because I'll off like that, I will beat you, beat you. I don't care who you are, I'll beat your back. I was comfortable. We were going to sleep in that cell that night. Like that was where I was ready to sleep there. Locked up. Let's act this. Let's finish it. We'll sleep here tonight. But the girl, after the girl now begged, the girl saved us, but I was angry because I was like, if the guy, I think the priest was willing to have a conversation or what, but me, I said I'll not talk, because why exactly are you keeping me here? They now let us go now. Well, let us go back to. Man, I now shouted. I'm like, next time, if you're arresting me with your chest. Tell me what I did. Not the one that I think I made this any. Not the one that you're coming to come and say that you want to take me to a better place. Abi, you want your sisters to come and stay in my room. I don't really understand your reason for that. This is the end of my story. Let me finish. I don't know. I said I'm supposed to be doing my hair. I did not even do my hair. So let me do my hair, finish, and then, you know, I'm gonna do a little transition for you guys right about now. So no. See my mommy, my fine mommy, Miss World. As Queen Eliza don't die, now only you remain.
Don't say this thing in your this, you know, and spoil it. Don't say it.
The queen of the world. She's going for Mother's Night. See how fine she looks now. Eh? As if it's her that they are celebrating. Mommy!
My own is coming very soon.
It's not for me, Sha.
It's very soon. It's coming.
Can you see my mother?
Sure,
if you're wondering where all this beauty is from, see the source.
Did you hear what?
Finally done with the hair. I know that the transition did not go how it's supposed to go because I brought my mommy here. But I'm finally done with this hair. I am very happy that I loosed it and took out a lot of these locks because it feels way lighter. I can actually pack it. I can do things to it now. It feels better, and you know, I'm very happy that I did this. So that's the end of my story. If you enjoyed this story time, if you want to hear a few more of the crazy things that have happened to me, because I have another stupid crazy experience that happened to me in that hostel where they wanted to call our parents for going partying. That's almost half of us that were in that hostel, but that's another story. If you want to hear that story, please leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you watched up to this point, you're a G. God bless you. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. You know all those things that people used to say at the end of the video. Me, I'm telling you because please subscribe to my video. May your baby girl see food to chop. Yeah, have a nice time. See you in my next video. Bye bye.